कितना सुंदर नज़ारा है ना. Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are doing extremely well and taking a great care of yourself as well, because you know what's the situation right now. No one is liking this situation at all, because it is a great inconvenience in everyone's life, because we are just not able to do anything like we used to do it earlier. It's already been 3 months or more than that, I think so, where I am just not able to publish any of the video or any content for you people, all thanks to COVID, because you just cannot roam around now, and obviously lockdown has begun once again this year, which is the most tragic news for 2021 at least. We were thinking that it might not be the same as it happened in the last year, but it doesn't seem like that now. It's going to stay here for more than a year. Well, be prepared for that as well, because you never know. I do have some locations to visit around, but they are also like not safe at this point. I also wanted to give you more relatable content about how to ride and what all things you should carry with you, and what are the things which you should know about the most of the riding. Well, let's see and hope for the best. Don't get so much stressed by this situation. Try to be intuitive with your family members and the people around you. Stay out of the negativity. Try to avoid such thoughts which might create more and more stress. For some people, it is also a great time to discover yourself, like what are your hobbies and what you have the most interest in doing, which of the things which you can excel with. What we can say that anyone else cannot do it, but you are the only one person in that field or in that activity or in that event. You are the star of that event, okay, and only you have the ability to deal with that particular field. So go and check out your activities and go and explore more of the positivity inside you. You have it, you just need to work for it in a proper way. वेल इंटरनेट है, कर लो इस्तेमाल, और जितना हो सके उतना खुद को एडवांस बना लो. इट इज़ द राइट टाइम, एंड यू नेवर नो ऐसा मौका फिर कब मिले. सो बेटर you invest your time in that as well. Okay, well, these were the few things which I wanted to share with you people around, and I know आप लोग ऑलरेडी इन सारी बातों से वाकिफ़ हो, बट स्टिल I thought which I wanted to share with you people. And stay safe, stay indoors, stay healthy. Adios.